Hello, it's Aiden from InPlay, and today I'm going to be showing you how to configure an iBeacon on the NanoBeacon Config Tool GUI. So this is a follow-up to our webinar that we've had with ePiece, and so this applies both to the low power energy harvesting evaluation kit and to our regular IN100 EVK. So we have three advertising sets available. I'm just going to go with advertising set 1 for this demo. So go ahead and click edit there. Of course, you're going to want to make sure that you're connected. So I am hooked up with my programming board to COM port 7. So I hit connect, and I will see a success message. Next, I have my data formats. I have an iBeacon, Eddystone, and a custom one. I'll go with iBeacon. We have a default UUID. I will leave it as is, but you can type in anything you want here. For the major value, I will just go arbitrarily with 0001. And for the minor, I'll do 0002. And for the measured TX power, I will just pick 0. Okay. Now I can see it has all used 27 bytes, and I can see what is being used up there by clicking view raw advertising data. See some of the basics. My UUID, very long. And then you see my major there, and my minor, and my measured TX power level at the bottom. Okay. A couple different options here. For the advertising interval, I will just do 1 second, but of course you can do much longer. By selection, basic CTE. This is for angle of arrival and location tracking, so I'll leave it disabled for now. I'll keep all of these other options as their default values. And for the address, I can do a static address, public address, or a random address. I'm going to go with the default, which is a user input static address. And that will just be from 1 to 6. In advertising mode, I have selected continuous. Okay, with that, I just click Run in RAM. And then if I was to load up an app like the InPlay BLE scanner or NRF Connect, I would be able to see a iBeacon, which has that UUID on it. And we'll also have that corresponding static Bluetooth device address, which I can filter by. Thank you.